Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so we're here at the L2 Uptown. We are at the amenity level and we just saw the pool section. It's a really massive section. And now we're here at the huge resident lounge. This is a really fun lounge. There's so much to do here and there's actually two parts. So you can see it's 2 stories. There's a lot of fun to be had in here. This would be a great area. There's a kitchen over here. Full kitchen, fridge, microwave, big area. This would be a perfect area to have a great event, big event. You can rent this out as well for a small fee, and you can have your event here too. So great event to have. It'd be a fun area to use for that. So this is part 1, and we're gonna go across the street right over here to part 2. So let's go see this right now. And here we go. Okay, cool. So this is more of the game lounge. This is pretty cool. You got a huge, massive game lounge, lots of games. You've got poker table, you've got pool, you got foosball, you even have darts. That's awesome. You know what's funny is I see the dartboard and then I see all the misses that are there. So that's definitely a well-used dartboard. That's super fun. You got a lot of TVs over here. This is a really cool game area. This would be fun to just check out and enjoy. Really cool gaming area. Hey, that's it for the L2 Uptown Resident Lounge and Game Area. We're about to go check out a little bit more here. Let's go check that out right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and we can give you more information. I'd be happy to talk to you personally. I'd love to do that.